Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you step-by-step guide on how to deactivate your TikTok account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here. Then after open up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on profile right here. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this 3-stroke from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings and privacy. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on account. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on deactivate or delete account. And the next thing you need to do is to click on deactivate account. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on deactivate. And a code will be sent to the mail or phone number that you used to create the account. So what you need to do is to head over to the mail or your phone number. So I have the mail right here. So I'll simply open up my Outlook mail. Then here is the code. I'm going to simply open it up and I'll click and hold down. And I will simply copy the code. Then I'll head over back to my TikTok. Like so. Then I'll click and hold down. I'll paste the code right here. Then I'll simply click on the deactivate account. Deactivate account. Then click on confirm. It's as simple as that. The account has been successfully deactivated. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.